What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I'm going to talk about a very controversial topic which has been mentioned by almost every single guru. I saw a post from Attila yesterday, I think, on his feed. When I was scrolling on his feed, it was quite an old post, and he was quoting Neil Patel, who said affiliate marketing is dead in 2019. And I have obviously my own opinion on it. I have an opinion about everything, and I'm not afraid to share it. So I'm live in my Facebook group to my left, just so people want to chime in, give their own opinion. That's what I'm here for. Hear the opinions, give my opinion. But I just want to talk about affiliate marketing, what I've seen, the trends, what has happened. So basically, let's just start at the beginning. In the past, I'm talking, well, I wasn't running affiliate marketing back then, but from what I've read, was basically the start of the internet, or even way past that. Let's just pick like 9 years ago, 2010. 2009, 2008. At that point, when you would run affiliate marketing campaigns, there were almost no rules, and therefore the ROIs were crazy. Throw a campaign live, 1500% ROI, 1000% ROI, 800% ROI. It was not uncommon. Right now, to get maybe 200% ROI, you're a very good marketer in that sense. A lot of things have changed. I think the main aspect from the past is limited rules, because everything was developing so fast. Cheap placements, because there was not that much competition. Everything was going from basically magazines and newspapers to online. And you know how it goes. There's still, I would say, a large portion of businesses worldwide who are afraid of the online world. Basically, how many old people don't have access to internet? It's pretty crazy. We, as in me and everybody younger than me, probably everybody below the age of maybe 30, I would say, grew up with the internet. Therefore, we cannot think of a world without the internet. But there's many people still in business who are maybe like 60, 70, who've never used the internet. And in that sense, when they made the transition, slowly all the businesses made the transition, but all is still limited. In the past, there were not that many people playing the auction game as there are now, so the costs are higher. Obviously, there's still a lot of money to be made, but you have to take into consideration the competitiveness in the past was less. Therefore, the ROI potential could be higher, potential. But in other regards, affiliate marketing-wise, there might not be as many programs as there are now. Obviously, now there are way more larger variety of different topics you can choose from. How it is now, it's what people would say more competitive. However, you just gotta play it smart, because that's a disadvantage and advantage itself. The disadvantage is that generally the costs are higher than they used to be. The advantage is if you have knowledge or can perform better than anybody else, your cost will be drastically lower than the average. It's relative. It's always compared to something. So we compare to the average, and then what you will see is that if you roll out the Facebook data, I think the average cost per click on all verticals is 1.15 cent. And if we run sweepstakes and we get a 4 cent cost per click, we're doing a pretty damn good job. Obviously, it's all relative. Right now, I think the world of affiliate marketing is bigger and better than ever. Yes, we're not going to get 1500% ROI, but there are so many different opportunities. There's so many things you can do. Can you imagine that you can run basically from 5K to 5 million a month per vertical, which is crazy. If you look at the amount of verticals, maybe Nutra, you can even run like 100 mil a month. It's just, the opportunities are limitless. And that I think is what has given affiliate marketing so much breathing room, because and attention, the startup costs are so low, basically almost nothing. You just need knowledge and effort, which I think most people don't have money, but they do have time. And until you don't have time, but you do have money, then you get time back. But a lot of people have time, but no money. So in that sense, affiliate marketing is great. If you look at even major corporations, I watched a Snickers commercial, I think 2 days ago on YouTube. It says, blah, 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 some legal disclaimer, Snickers company and their affiliates. Even on a Snickers commercial, they include their affiliates. Major brands are working with affiliates. For instance, companies like Red Bull, Adidas, Nike, they might not have direct affiliates like you and me, but they partner with major organizations which they give rev share. That is obviously super interesting. And I think commission structures have been around a long time. However, now when everything is becoming more competitive, if you know how to drive the right quality traffic, you're gonna be rich as fuck. That's just the way it is. Affiliate marketing has not become that much about sales anymore, but more about driving volumes of traffic. Obviously, sales is a very big component in the funnel still, because pre-frame and everything. However, the collection of data, like basically CPC versus EPC, that is the whole game we play. And if you can collect traffic or buy traffic cheaper than anybody else, then you're doing a good job. So basically, if you are let me just scroll real quick in the feed. Yeah. If you are a solopreneur, then what you need to do is you need to do the ads, media buying, funnel building, administration, everything by yourself. That is sometimes quite difficult, but it's also give you a really good advantage. So that's basically the situation how it is now, limitless. So when we look in the past, no rules, very open, but also very risky because nobody really knew what was working. There was no information. It was basically test something, either fail or win in that sense. Right now, we have a lot of resources, but we also have a lot of rules to deal with. And basically every time you're looking for that edge, how far can I push the compliance until the point that my ROI is the highest? I think in the future, what will happen is affiliate marketing will come broader, more mainstream, because just like dropshipping, yeah, it's a very easy, low barrier of entry for people who want to become entrepreneurs. You see like 16-year-old kids doing this shit. And I think that's really amazing. What happened or what might happen is that the rules become more strict. Social media platforms, native traffic, things like push notifications. Governments want to control the data more and more and more. People are getting more paranoid about their privacy, which will always be a problem, especially if you're running data collection like insurance, sweepstakes, all that stuff. The rules are becoming more tight. That also means that the process of people who excel and people who fail, the leverage will become bigger, or the gap will be bigger between those two. Just because it becomes harder doesn't mean it's dead. It's just you have to evolve. You have to become smarter. You have to grow with the process. Oh, I linked this quote yesterday to somebody, and I think it said, it was from Stephen Hawking, I would say, intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. If you are not able to change how the online fast-paced environment is developing, then you'll be left behind. And then you will complain, oh, affiliate marketing is dead because I can't make any money. No, fuck you. You were just not able to change fast enough. You have to adapt, especially if you want to stay ahead of the curve. Like, be there when nobody's there. And you have to suck in a lot of knowledge, learn a lot. So basically saying affiliate marketing is dead because I cannot make any sales, just make you an ignorant fool. Affiliate marketing is not that, it's more booming than ever. You are just too lazy or too unaware to think about it. Basically, you have so many sources. You have like STM forum, you have Afflift, you have YouTube channels, a lot of them. You have Facebook groups like mine. You have separate communities for basically programs where affiliates are included as well. So for instance, the ClickFunnels software has its own affiliate program, and they have a Facebook group with all ClickFunnels affiliates in it. Get knowledge, educate yourself, buy paid courses, get mentors on board. Just suck in as much knowledge as you can, because if you think affiliate marketing is dead, it's the same thing as dropshipping that. No, you're just not adapting fast enough. Because straight drop shipping might decrease ROI, but you can go private label, you can build a real brand real stores, and you can still drop ship the products. It's still drop shipping, but just not the model you know. And that's basically what I think. What happens is, way back people thought like SEO blogs were the way to go because it's less fluctuant than paid traffic, blah blah blah, all that bullshit. But what happens when Google decides to indicate their ranks differently? So now they don't want long copy, they want short copy. Boom, your rankings drop. So every part has its pros and cons. You just need continuous development. On the SEO side, you might want to change your copy and be ranked #1 again. On the paid traffic side, you might want to go from automatic bidding to manual bidding. Because what works best is sharing thoughts with people who know what the fuck they're talking about. People who know other people, who create a network or a flow of information that is going to help you adapt to change. So one last time, is affiliate marketing dead? My answer, fuck no. It's more booming than ever if you are able to adapt to change. That's it. All right, any questions? All right, let me just say hi to everybody, because we have a lot of fucking people watching right now. What is up? Dimitri, Shanur, Greg, Asif, Dexter, Shigosi, Mohammed, Jin, Mohammed, Alvin, Asan, Rasmus, Carlos, Fima, Abdu, Greg, Sandeep. There's a lot of people and myself. All right, any questions about this? Any questions you might have? Any gossip you might have heard that we can crush? Or was it all relatively good? Man, I like doing these rants because, what's up, Mohammed? People just talk shit about topics they don't know anything about. But I get it though. Most people who say, oh, affiliate marketing is dead, have never run an affiliate campaign themselves. Or just mean something else. They could have worded better. If you say affiliate marketing is dead, but you actually mean affiliate marketing has become more difficult, it's just an attention-grabbing fucking headline. All right, guys, I see no questions related to this. I will cut off the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. See you guys next time.